Hello guys, it's BlackWhite here, so welcome again. As promised, I will unbox the Bitfenix Merc Alpha case. So let's start that place. Now I got better light here. My dining room was scrap. Alright, so let's open the box and take out the case out. Okay. Upside down, sorry. So this is budget case, and I'm gonna use this for my son's computer build. I have 3 sons, so the video which one build already you've seen, that is for the oldest son. And give me a second please. And this one will be for the middle one. Okay, right, sorted. Right, so just have a look. Yeah, the light should be okay. And just this a little bit. Okay, so now this is the front of the case. So we got here 3 base, 5 1/4 inch base for the optical drives and fan controllers. 3.5. You can use this for card reader or whatever. Nobody probably using the floppy now, so doesn't matter. And at the top we got power button, reset button, headphones and microphone jacks, power LED and hard drive LED, plus 4 USB 2.0 ports, which is nice touch. Also at the top we got the 2 pre-cut holes and places for 2 120mm fans. You can put them for the better airflow. They are not attached to this case, but doesn't matter, you can put them if you want to. Side panel, it has the pre-cut holes, ventilation holes as well, no dust filters. So if you want to, probably you can buy the dust filters and put them. And the back of the case, we got the 7 extension slots, and 2 of them that are removable and replaceable, first and last one, and those that are not. And power supply is mounted at the bottom, which is nice. IO shield. You have 2 holes for the water cooling, external water cooling solutions, 120mm fans at the back, and another side panel is just solid, nothing on it. And the bottom of the case, you have 4 rubber stands to prevent the slipping or something like that, and 2 holes. One is for the power supply and one for extra 120mm fans. Right, so what I will do now, I will take off the front panel. Oh, that was easy. And I will show you something. You can put another 2 120mm fans at the front of the cage. So that will give you extra airflow, and that will be quite handy if you are using high-end graphic cards, which is roughly, usually it's overheating. Right, so I will put that back. Right, and now I will open the side panel. 2 thumb screws, also in black, which is nice touch. And now you don't have to slide it, you have to pull it to take it off. Very easy. This is the side panel. And now what we got inside? Alright, we got user manual and some screws, thumb screws, and most of them are black, so very nice. And you have also 4 M3, I believe, screws, the longer ones, that you can put thicker fan into your case, or even attach the radiator. So that is nice. Okay, anyway, that's nice for the budget case. Now the front panel cables that are slit in black, which is very nice touch as well for a budget case. So we got the USB ports, HD audio, and power switch, reset switch, and etc. Okay, right. So at the back of the case is already installed the 120mm fan, Bitfenix of course, with nice black cable, 3-pin. And what we got else? We got the pre-cut hole for the CPU coolers, that you don't have to take off the motherboard from your PC case if you would like to change your cooler on your CPU, which is very nice. Now you have quite a lot holes for the cable management. Sorry, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them, which is very great. And for us, as for the budget case, is awesome. So I'm looking forward, to build the computer within this case, and as I can see, now I can do a great job with the cable management, which I like it. Alright, so again, you can put 3 5.25-inch drives into this case, and up to 8 hard drives, which is a lot. And one more important thing, this case is good enough for the all graphics card on the market. So it doesn't matter which graphic cards you want to buy, even the 6990 from AMD, it will fit into this case, which is great. So as I said, this case came to me directly from Bitfenix. That was the price for my review. And yeah, so it's a very nice case, and I'm looking forward, to build a computer for my son using this case. So guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned, because I will do a review of this case as well soon. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.